right, everyone, welcome to the 187 District Court. These are the rules of the 187 District Court. 1, to all of the inmates, you are to keep yourself on mute until I ask you to unmute yourself. Number 2, do not use the chat box. If you use the chat box, you will be sent back to your cell, and we will see you at another date and time. Do not try to pick anyone up for a date. This is not the Bachelorette. It is not the Bachelor. That is not what we are here for. If you do that, then you will be sent back to your cell and we'll take your case up at a later date. To everyone else who's here, you are in the 187 District Court. Physically, you may be at your house, but you're in a courtroom. You will not wear hats. You will not wear caps. And if you are not behaving appropriately, you will be required to appear in court. So I don't want to see you working on a construction site, driving to work, cooking at your house, or any of that. If that happens, your case will not be heard today. It will be heard either on Wednesday or Thursday, and you will be brought into court and you will have to appear in court. You are not to lie down in your beds. If you do, then you will be required to appear in court. I'm going to open up breakout rooms. When I open the breakout rooms, it's going to invite everyone to appear in a breakout room. Do not go to a breakout room unless I specifically call your name and send you to a breakout room. To all the attorneys here, I'm going to call your name. That's the order you will appear in. If for any reason you want to go to another court because you see your name is a certain place on the list, you're more than welcome to do that. However, if your name is called and you're not here, then you will go to the end of the line. I'm going to call the attorney's name. If you are here, let me know. If I've missed a name, let me know.
Okay.
The first one is going to be Wendy McClellan.
Present, Your Honor.
Ron Ross.
I'm here, Judge. I will need a breakout room with my client.
Thank you. Amir Mamori.
Morning, Judge. Judge, I'm here on Heidi as Caredaro for PTD application.
All right. Kenneth Baker.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present. My client, I just had contact with him, is attempting to log in. He should be here very soon.
Brian Kimbrough.
Present, Your Honor. My client should be logging in.
Justin Fox.
Judge, I'm here on a motion to set bond.
Okay. Is there any other attorney whose name I've missed?
Yes, Judge. Jerome White for Tariq Ellington.
Okay. Any other attorney whose name I've missed?
Yes, Judge. Thomas Beck for Victor Miranda. I believe he's an inmate.
Thomas Beck.
Yes, Thomas Beck.
Okay. Who else?
Christopher Castro for Robert Rosas.
All right. Anyone else that I've missed? Okay. All right. The first person up is Wendy McClellan. Ms. McClellan, who do you have?
I'm here on Juan Estrada and Cruz Munoz. They're both in custody and they're both going to be pleased this morning.
All right. If you could put in the chat box to Norma Ferguson, she's listed as coordinator. Ferguson, coordinator. If you'll put into the chat box what your plea agreement is, so she'll know what paperwork to get with you. And if you'll tell me which client would you like to see first?
And I let Norma know in advance, since all the paperwork's done. I just need to review it with my clients, of course.
Okay.
I'll meet with Cruz Munoz.
All right. Let me see if Cruz Munoz is here. Just one moment. Okay. Munoz is not online yet,
Okay.
but Estrada is.
Okay. That's great.
All right. Thank you. Mr. Estrada, what is Estrada's first name, please?
Juan.
Are you Juan Estrada? Raise your hand if you're Juan Estrada. All right, thank you. I'm going to send you to breakout room number 1 with your attorney.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, the next person up is Ron Ross.
I have David Thatcher. I'd like to talk to him in a breakout room.
All right, is your client in custody?
He is.
Let me see if we have him. Norma, could you have a deputy help Mr. Estrada? And he also needs to mute. And let him know you need to go to breakout room number 1. All right, I'll send you to breakout room number 2, Ross.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mr. Thatcher, I'm sending you to breakout room number 2. Your attorney will meet you there. Amir, who do you have?
Judge, good morning. I have Heidi Izquierdo, cause number 2020 CR 1216, returning an application for PDD on February the 3rd, Judge.
All right, that case has been dismissed. They have everything.
Okay,
So it shows up as-
so may I be excused, Judge?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Welcome. All right, the next person is Jerome White.
Judge, I have Tariq Ellington. That's the MTR. I have spoken to Jordan already. We have an agreement to resolve this issue. I just need to speak to my client to see if he's done everything necessary in order to meet the offer that Jordan made with me.
All right, just one moment. Let me see if he's, Mr. Ellington, are you on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to send you to breakout room number 3 with your attorney.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, the person who's just logged in as Heidi Izquierdo. Where are you? Heidi Izquierdo. All right. All right, the next person up is Kenneth Baker.
Good morning, Judge. I've got Mr. Zepeda, Juan Zepeda. It's a MTR family violence. I'd like to talk to the state if there's somebody available for them on that.
All right. Give me your client's name again, please.
Juan Zepeda, and he is, I just spoke to him, hung up. He's at work, had a problem with his phone. He's got that resolved. I gave him the link, so hopefully he'll be here.
All right, I'll send you to breakout room number 4 and an attorney will meet you there.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Next person up is Brian Kimbrough.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Juan M. Garcia. It's a violation report. Issue is installing the ignition interlock. He doesn't have a car, so I have an affidavit of non-ownership, which I emailed this morning over to Norma, and I can email it to the court. I don't know which email you want me to use.
You'll need to email that to pretrial services. And so he will be on an in-home device.
Okay.
And I give the defendant a chance to choose which in-home device they want to be on because I know it is expensive.
Okay. Any chance you might consider waiving the fee on that?
It's a third-party contract, so I'm not allowed to waive fees. If I waive fees, they still will charge him fees. But what he can try to do is be placed on a waiting list on their indigent program.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Your Honor. So are we excused if I get that over to pretrial this morning?
Just one moment. Where is your client? Mr. Garcia? Mr. Garcia, I need you to unmute yourself, please. All right, can you hear me?
I think his audio is off.
Okay, this is what needs to be done with your client, Mr. Kimbrough. He provides the affidavit of non-driving to pretrial services. The number there, Mr. Kimbrough, is 335 8976. His officer is Taylor Vaughn. And the fax number there is 335-8981. So it'll be provide affidavit of non-driving, then in-home device. And I'll put on here review for indigent status.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Judge, can you see your chat before you let him go, please?
Sure. All right, thank you. Thank you, Norma.
Okay.
And that needs to be completed today. So Mr. Garcia, you need to get that done today. Do you understand? Just give me a thumbs up if you understand. All right, if that's not done today, a warrant is going to be issued for your arrest. I cannot have someone who's charged with DWI who does not have any type of monitoring system. Do you understand? Thumbs up if you do. All right, then you and your client are excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Justin Fox.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here on a motion to set bond for Jose Ruvalcaba. He has an MTR on your court. My client's currently in Piedras Negras, Mexico, Judge. The concern I had and the reason I'm here before you is because if he were to cross back, he'd more than likely be stopped by Border Patrol. They'd see that he has a warrant. And my experience just over the last year or so with clients with issues like this, they're usually stopped, detained in the county where the checkpoint is. And usually it's been about a month that they've had to sit there before they're transferred to Bexar County. So I was just wondering if you would consider setting a bond, or maybe a week. And if he doesn't appear, I think we'd be able to work out this MTR very quickly once he's here.
I will send you to a breakout room and the state will confer with you.
Thank you, Judge.
I'll send you to breakout room number 5. Ron, you're back?
I am, Judge. I need to talk to Jordan Brown.
All right. Jordan, if you could go to breakout room number 3, please. All right, the next person up is Thomas Beck.
Yes, Judge, I'm here for Victor Miranda. The computer says he's an inmate.
Do you know if it's criminal trial division?
It's less than a gram case and felony shoplifting, something about a bag of potato chips.
All right, were they Lay's? Allegedly?
I hope so.
All right.
I don't like veg.
I'll send you to breakout room number 6.
Is he here?
We will find out.
All
But
right.
if you'll go to 6.
I'll go to 6 and hang out.
Thank you. Christopher Castro.
Yes, Judge, I'm here on Roberto Rosas. It's a motion for early termination of probation.
How do you spell the last name?
Roberto Rosas, R-O-S-A-S.
All right, and was this criminal trial division?
Judge, excuse me, Judge.
Yes.
The termination order was signed on February 25th on that particular case.
Okay, so your client's already been terminated.
Okay. He's present in the courtroom. So I'll give him a call and let him know. Are we dismissed?
All right, and you said you're, yes, you are dismissed. To the courtroom, could you let the defendant, Mr. Roberto Rosas, know that his early termination was approved?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you. All right, David Woodard.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. You're excused.
Morning, Judge. I'm reviewing the PSI right now, and when I'm done, I'll come back on.
All right, and who's your client?
It's on Jacob Brown.
All right. Joanne De Hoyos.
Good morning, Your Honor. I received a link last night for Myra Santos. I have no idea. I don't have an appointment letter or anything. So can you even give me a cause number? I checked online and there's a night mag, but Oscar Hernandez is on that.
She has several cases.
Okay, well, I guess some must be off bond because I didn't see anything but that on the,
All
you know
right,
how
she-
sometimes they hide that on bear.org if there's a warrant?
I'm not sure. She has CM number 068976 and night mag number 600137.
That's Oscar Hernandez according to bear.org.
Okay, the CM number, that's a criminal mischief, 2,500 to 30,000.
And it was today's doc. I don't even have an
Yes.
appointment, Your Honor. Am I listed on that? I chatted with
Norma, could you check with that? I'm going to send, Joanne, I'll send you to a breakout room, number 7. And
Thank
the
you.
coordinator will meet you there.
Thanks. Have a nice day, Your Honor.
All right, you too, thank you. Thomas Hilly?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. I need to go into a breakout room, please.
Who is your client?
Mr. Landry, he's in jail.
And what is the
It's
charge?
It may be family violence because he beat up the wife's new boyfriend and the pregnant, like.
All right,
girlfriend.
I'll send you to breakout room number 8.
Thank you, Your Honor.
A prosecutor will meet you there.
Thank you.
All right, Jonathan Perez.
Judge, I didn't get a link to go to the
Right here,
breakout.
Judge.
Norma, you're listed as a co-host. You're not able to move around?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll send you to breakout room number 7. All right, Jonathan Perez, I'm gonna need to see you in a breakout room.
You got it,
I can
Judge.
see you in breakout room number 9.
Okay.
Thank you, I'll send you there.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And David Martin, if I could see you in 9, please. And Marcus Sanders, if I could see you in 9. Everyone, I will be right back. Just give me a moment. All right, Jonathan Perez, who do you have?
I have Brian Pinkney, Your Honor.
And is that a family violence or is it criminal trial division?
No, criminal trial division, Judge. It's an ag robbery.
All right. I'll send you to breakout room number 9 and a prosecutor will meet you there. Well,
Okay.
actually, you already signed a 9, so you can just go
Perfect.
back to number 9.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Sure. All right, is there any attorney's name that has not been called that is recently logged in? All right, anyone back from the breakout room?
Yes, Judge. Jerome White for Tariq Ellington. We just need a continuance in order to comply with the agreement that Mr. Jordan had given to us. He's going to have to make some donations and he needs a little bit more time.
When is this going to be done?
I would suspect that he probably needs about 2 pay periods. So if you can, we can have 30 days.
State? How do you feel about a 30-day reset?
Is there anyone? Can anyone answer?
It was Jordan.
I feel great.
Here's what Jordan.
Judge. I don't think we'd have an objection to it.
All right, Norma, are you back here in the main room? All right, on Mr. Tariq Ellington,
Yes, ma'am.
set this for a contested hearing in 30 days. And so, Mr. White, something will be happening to this case within 30 days. Either it's going to be a contested hearing or plea of true or whatever, but it will be resolved in 30 days.
Okay, Judge. And I probably need to let him know what's going on. So once we have the reset, can we have another breakout room so I can let him know what this entails?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, Norma, what date are we coming back for contested?
March 31st.
All right, March 31st.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Just one moment. All right, and your client will need to appear in person. If whatever you're working out with the state has not been worked out, he needs to appear in court in person.
Okay.
And of course, if you worked out something before then just let the court know.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Ellington, I'm going to send you to breakout room number 4. Your
Okay.
attorney will meet you there and then you will be excused.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Everyone, just give me a moment, please. Does anybody see what page Mr. Ellington is on?
Page 27.
All right, thank you.
What's up? What's up, bro?
Okay.
What's up?
Do you know is Jordan here?
Jordan's here and Chris.
All right, anyone else back from the breakout room?
Yeah, I am, Judge.
Yes.
And I need to talk to my client once again, David Thatcher. We were in breakout 2. I don't know if he's still there.
Mr. Thatcher is still in breakout room number 2. I'll send you to 2.
Yes, ma'am.
And everyone, just give me one moment to check my email for any paperwork. All right. David Woodard, you're back.
Judge, me and Rebecca are kind of having technical difficulties of me getting the PSI. She has tried to email it to me, but I have not received it yet.
Let me see if maybe I can do it. Who is your client?
It's on Jacob Brown.
Okay, I don't have that PSI yet either. So just give us a moment. All right, Kenneth Baker.
Yes, Judge, I'm back from conferring with the state. I've got an offer. I was just wondering if the court can tell if my client is in the waiting room yet.
Is there Juan Zapata here? Juan Zapata? All right, if you want to return back at 10:30, I give everyone till 10:30 to show.
Certainly, Judge. I've got contacted with him. I'll get him here somehow. Thanks.
All right, thank you. Justin Fox?
Yes, Judge, I'm back from the breakout room. We weren't able to come to an agreement. So I guess we might have to come before you on the issue of recalling the warrant and setting a bond.
All right, so here's the thing. With regards to that, I require a person to appear before me before I will set a bond or recall a warrant. And the fact that you say he's in Mexico,
Yes, Your Honor.
yeah, that's a problem. The fact that he's in Mexico and not here.
Yes, Judge. It can possibly be arranged that he can appear via Zoom sometime later this week.
I mean, but he's still outside our jurisdiction. That's the problem.
Yes, Your Honor. The thing here is that he is trying to come back and resolve this case. You know, if he could come back, of course, but he would be waiting probably around 30 days in another county in their jail, incurring expenses for that county and then having to be transferred. So it might be 40 odd days before we're able to resolve an MTR that might be able to get resolved if a warrant was temporarily lifted and then he could come in, we can resolve.
Okay, here's my question. Why is he in Mexico and not in the United States?
He was working over there, Your Honor, and it is my understanding that when he realized that he had the warrant, I guess he was scared of returning and being stuck out of county was one issue. And then I guess the issue of the MTR. He's been over there for almost a year, I believe now. So he's wanting to come back and face the issues that are before him.
Just for your information, Judge, the warrant was issued in October and he has yet to present himself, and his MTR is for a new number 1.
Well, I will tell you this. Must I set a bond? Yes, because it's a deferred adjudication, but he needs to appear. I mean, that's where we are. He needs to appear. And I'm sorry that his life is going to be slightly complicated because he decided to go to Mexico. But that's where we are.
Will a Zoom appearance suffice, Your Honor?
I mean, these are things I will consider, but he's not before me.
Yes, Your Honor. Then I guess I would ask if maybe I can be recalled for maybe Friday, and I can have him appear via Zoom, or
All right,
any other day that the court.
All right, talk to the coordinator. Will send an email to you and present whatever evidence you need presented to explain why he's in Mexico without permission. I don't know if he was given permission by probation to go to Mexico.
Yeah, I don't think he was, Your Honor. And just to correct anything that was said before, so this MTR is from August of 2019. So I know Alex had said it was last year, but I think it was the year before. So It's been about a year that he's been out of the country.
All right, yeah, those are issues. All right, thank you, Justin.
We'll take care of it, Judge.
All right. All right, Wendy, you're back.
Yes, I sent a chat to the clerk, Robert, to see if he can allow the deputy to share the screen so I can go over the paperwork for my client because he's having a hard time following along.
All right, it does show that the share is on my end. So just give us a moment. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Anyone else back from the breakout room?
Yes, Your Honor, I have conferred with the state, and I need more time, Your Honor, for the state to get more medical records, Your Honor. It's the first setting, and we don't know the extent of the injuries of the second victim, Your Honor.
State?
It was family violence.
All right, State.
Yeah, Judge, sorry. I'm trying to find an office to use right now because I got kicked out of the one I was using. There's medical records, potential serious bodily injury. I need to get the medical records which aren't in the file yet, or at least I'm not aware they're in the file, but I don't have access to the file right now. So it's the first setting, if you can get another reset, because there's 2 victims on it. One potentially had serious brain injury and the other was pregnant and had vaginal bleeding at the time of the assault. So I'm not sure what the status is on the baby.
All right, Norma, can you recall Kendrick Landry for 30 days, please?
Yes, ma'am.
So this concludes my business, Your Honor. Maybe excuse, please.
No, because you don't have the reset date.
Oh, I apologize for that. I don't know if the system reset. I apologize.
See, this goes back to men not being able to multitask people. He's trying to drive, which he shouldn't be doing, and be on Zoom. What date, Norma?
April 1st.
All right. Mr. Landry, we're going to bring you back on April 1st.
If I may say, I do believe the case with my baby's mother, that was closed. She even came up here and got it corrected, that I didn't put my hands on her.
Here's the thing. 1, I don't want to talk about the facts of your case.
Yes,
2,
ma'am.
what you're here for is a burglary of a habitation with the intent to commit assault. And it has not been dropped.
Judge,
Number 3 is that on family violence cases,
Yes, ma'am.
the laws have changed. And usually complainants on family violence cases, when they do a affidavit of non-prosecution, that doesn't automatically mean a case is going to be dropped. And yes, Ms. Metzel.
It's a multi-count indictment, Judge. So the original case was brought in. So it's the assault pregnant person was closed out and added to the 1 cause number that's still active. So there's 3 counts on there.
Yes.
One of them being the assault pregnant person.
Yes, there are 3 counts, Mr. Landry. So we'll see you back on April 1st. All right, Norma, can you let them know that Mr. Landry can go back?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Thomas Beck.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
There we go. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Judge, I got a report from pretrial services that Norma sent me. Apparently, Victor Miranda is not in custody unless you're telling me that he is, or maybe you see him.
Well, what I received from pretrial services is an application for a PR bond. Could the clerks or somebody check to see if Victor Miranda is in custody, please?
I'm here at the moment. Can you hear me?
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I'm here. That's all.
Yes, he's in custody.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
okay.
in the orange suit. That's what I'm trying to figure it out. Like,
Can I go back to a breakout room then to talk to a prosecutor or my client? I'll talk to either one of them.
All right, well, just one moment. Let's, let me see here. Okay, I'm gonna send you, Thomas, I'll send you to breakout room number 5. And if a prosecutor could speak with Mr. Beck and number 5, please.
Mr. Beck.
All right, and Brian Pickney.
I'm here, Your Honor. That's
Yes.
my client, Judge. I'm just trying to get into a breakout room with them. I'm back.
All right, I'm gonna send, if you'll go back to breakout room number 9, and Mr. Pickney, I'm gonna send you to number 9.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Judge,
And
and
Mr. Miranda, you are not going to a breakout room yet. Your attorney is with the state.
Judge,
Rebecca?
I sent you the PSI, so I don't know if you can try sending it to Mr. Woodward.
Okay. Yes, I've received it.
Judge, I sent it already, so either our emails aren't working or his isn't if he hasn't gotten it.
Judge, I have it. I'm reviewing it right now.
All right, thank you.
Thanks,
All
Jordan.
right. Any other attorney that's ready? All right, Zoom user, who is your client?
Good morning, Judge. I apologize. My name is Travis Kettner. I represent Isaiah Alcaraz, and I think I got my Zoom ID changed properly.
Yes.
So yes, I do represent Mr. Alcaraz, and I was going to talk to the prosecutor. We have a plea of offer, and I'm going to recommend to my client that he accept it. So I just was going to talk to the prosecutor briefly and see about organizing that, I guess.
All right, I'll send you to breakout room number 3. It's family violence. If someone could meet Mr. Kettner in breakout room number 3, please.
I'll confer, Judge.
Ron Ross, you're back.
I am, Judge. I have tried to negotiate and try to come to a resolution today, been unable to do so. I will remind you that last time we were in court, I have filed a motion to withdraw as counsel. My client believes that I judge him guilty, and therefore he doesn't want me to be his lawyer.
You're frozen. You froze. You said you filed a motion to withdraw, and
we started a hearing last week. You told him, I'm going to give you 2 weeks to hire a lawyer.
yes.
And I don't think he's hired a lawyer. So we're going to need to go ahead and go forward on the motion to withdraw. You know, I mean, I don't know whether you're going to do that or not, but we need to go forward on that motion if we can.
All right.
And if you don't, then you know, as I'll do my job as a competent lawyer. I'll do my job if you don't.
All right, the inmate isn't here.
Yeah, he's here. He was in room number 2 a while ago. David Thatcher.
Ron
Ross, David Thatcher. You're not getting me mixed up with Ross Rodriguez, are you?
No, I'm not. Could you go back to the breakout room and tell your client to come back to the main room, please?
Oh, okay, yeah, sure.
Thank you. You're in breakout room number 2, Mr. Ross.
That's right.
Judge, can you make inmate Estrada a co-host? Joey is going to help him fill out the paperwork because they can't do the share screen. He's asking if you can make him a co-host, and he's going to stand next to him so he can fill out the paperwork.
Who is the person?
Juan Estrada, he's an inmate. He's with Wendy. I don't know what room he's in.
All right, I'll find him. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I've made him a co-host. All right, Mr. Thatcher,
Yes, Your Honor.
could you unmute, please? I need you to unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Thatcher, you were told to have an attorney. And do you have an attorney?
Our number is 2.
No, Your Honor.
All right.
09.
If you didn't retain an attorney, then your attorney is Ron Ross.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Judge, I will remind the court I have filed a motion to withdraw because Mr. Thatcher believes that I've judged him guilty, and he doesn't want me to represent him, and he doesn't really want to have an attorney-client relationship with me because he thinks that I think
She could tell you more about the case.
Okay. All right, we'll call the case. Who is the prosecutor on this?
Yes, sir.
I can do
do it, Judge.
Thank you. Brenna, you ready? Court is calling 2019 CR 9590, State of Texas versus David Thatcher. We're gonna have parties announced for the record, please, for the state,
Marcus Sanders.
for the defense.
Yeah, Ron Ross.
We're proceeding by video because of the pandemic. Any objections from the state?
No, Judge.
Any objections from the defense?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Ross, you filed a motion to withdraw in this cause. State, have you had a chance to
Yes,
review the defendant's?
that's what I need.
defense's
I
motion to
really
withdraw?
need, but there's been,
You say yes, Marcus?
Yes, we're aware of it, Judge.
yes.
All right, defense, court will hear your motion.
Judge, I was appointed about a year ago to represent Mr. Thatcher. We've been to court several times. In October, I thought we had a plea agreement. Mr. Thatcher did not want to take that plea agreement. He instead he said he no longer wants me to be his lawyer. He believes that I judge him as guilty, and he therefore does not believe that him and I can have an effective attorney-client relationship. And therefore, because he wants me off his case, I have filed this motion to withdraw. Let the court rule whether or not an effective attorney-client relationship can exist and whether I should continue on the case.
All right. Mr. Thatcher,
Yes, Your Honor.
the court gave you an opportunity to hire an attorney. And I ain't given you an opportunity to hire an attorney since January 28th. It is now March 1st. Have you hired an attorney?
No, Your Honor.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
If I have a little bit of more time, yeah.
No.
No,
Yeah.
then I cannot.
January.
Yeah, I have bonds for those.
Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah.
All right. The motion to withdraw will be denied. Your attorney is Ron Ross. Brenda, we can go off the record. Mr. Thatcher, let me explain something to you.
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm going to mute you because there's a lot of noise going on behind you. I've been a defense attorney. I've been a prosecutor. Your attorney, be it a hired an attorney or a court-appointed attorney, in this court, I require that that attorney receive an offer from the state. You can accept that offer or you can reject that offer. Your attorney cannot force the state to give you whatever it is you want. If you want a dismissal, your attorney cannot force the state to give a dismissal. If you want probation, your attorney cannot force the state to give you that. The only thing the attorney can do is get an offer from the state, which I require, present that offer to you. Once that offer is presented to you, you have one or two choices. One, you can accept it. Two, you can reject it. Or three, you can reject it and tell your attorney, I will not accept this, but I want to accept that. If you give your attorney another offer to tender to the state can say, no, we will not give him that. We will only offer what we previously offered before. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So there you have it. So if your issue is that your attorney is not bringing you the offer you want, that is not his fault. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So you are given a court-appointed attorney because you can't afford one. I don't know what is happening in society where people think, oh, I can't afford an attorney, so I get to choose whomever I want.
I work at a temp service, so I'll be
There
able
used
to
to
make
be a
the payment.
saying that beggars can't be choosers. It seems now that a lot of beggars want to be choosers, right? It's sort of like, I don't have any food. Okay, let me give you a meal, and your meal is fish and broccoli. Well, you know what? I can't afford a meal, but I'm not eating your fish and broccoli. I want lobster and steak. That's not the way it works. You understand? Now, do you need to confer with your attorney?
Unless Mr. Thatcher wants to talk to me, I think we've done our talking.
All right.
I am ready to proceed for a trial setting.
All right. Mr. Thatcher, unmute yourself, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you need to talk with your attorney anymore?
Yes, ma'am.
That's only 25 days.
All right, Mr. Ross, I'm going to send you to breakout room number 4.
And when I've concluded, unless I need to come back, I'll go ahead and leave the meeting.
Oh, no, come back to the main room with your attorney with your client so I can give you a date.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
All right, David, you ready?
0.
Yeah, Judge, can you put me in a breakout room with
719.
Jacob Brown?
All right, Mr. Brown,
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
I'm going to send you to breakout room number 6.
All right. Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me.
Your attorney will meet you there.
And Judge, when you get a chance, can you send Isaiah Alcaraz to breakout room number 3?
I'm trying to find him. Is it Isaiah Escobedo Alcaraz? Who is Isaiah Alcaraz? Mr. Thatcher, you need to go to breakout room number 6. What are you doing? Look at the bottom of your screen. And I'm sorry, it's breakout room number 4. Look at the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. Do you see where it says breakout rooms? Norma, can you have a deputy place Mr. Thatcher in breakout room number 4, please?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and Alcaraz, Laura, where did he need to go?
Breakout room number 3, Judge. Okay.
And Ross, your client is having difficulty moving to the room, so they're going to send him there now. A deputy will.
Yeah, okay, thank you, ma'am.
And Judge, actually, never mind.
All right, anyone else back from the breakout rooms? All right, he's in number 4 now, Ross.
Judge, can you give me admin or the breakout room privileges, please? I had signed off.
All right,
My
yes,
phone is glitchy.
I've just done it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, to the clerks in the back, you should have the information on Juan Estrada. So I'm going to send you to breakout room number 1. And Wendy McClellan, if you could go back to breakout room number 1 and the clerks will swear your client in.
Okay.
All right, Ron Ross, you're back.
I am back. My client should be in here also.
Okay. He's still in breakout room number 4.
I told him to come back in.
All right, can you instruct him on coming back to this main room, please?
I will. He knows
Thank
he did it before, but I'll go tell him again.
All right, thank you. Anyone else back from the breakout room?
Just got back, Judge.
Yes.
I'm here on behalf of Mr. Pinckney, Judge. We're working on some of his cases. I talked with Marcus Sanders as well. I believe he's got a couple cases out of County Court 5 that I'm going to jump on, and we're going to try and see what we can do to resolve these issues. In the meantime, we're in the process of posting a bond for my client, Judge. I'm just asking for a regular reset, and hopefully we can resolve this thing.
All right, this is an old case.
I just jumped on, Judge, because of Saul's passing.
Okay.
That's the only reason.
All right, thank you. Norma,
Yes.
can you give them a 30-day reset for Mr. Pinckney?
April 1st.
All right, Mr. Pinckney, we'll come back on April 1st, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. You're excused.
Okay, bye, guys. You can log off,
Bye-bye.
Mr. Pinckney.
All right. And Norma, you can let them know that Mr. Pinckney can go back.
Yes, ma'am.
And also, Norma, if you can have, there's Mr. Thatcher. Mr. Thatcher, we will set you for your jury trial. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And state is, I'm sorry, Mr. Ross, is there any outstanding discovery?
There is none, Judge.
All right, then we will schedule you for a jury trial. Mr. Ross, if there are any other motions you wish the court to hear, just let us know and Norma will set those.
That's fine. Should we come up to an agreement between now and then, we'll let you know, but yes.
There will be no further agreements that'll be accepted by the court. If he wants to enter a plea, it will have to be open to the court because his plea deadline has expired.
I understand that. I don't know if he understands that. Do you understand
Mr.
that?
Thatcher, do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor. The only reason why, I know you ain't trying to hear it, miss, but
No, I'm always open to hear. I always tell people God gave us, or your higher power gave you 2 ears to listen more. So I will listen to what you wish to say. Yes.
they offered me 2 years, miss.
No. I do not want to hear what the offer was. What I'm telling you is your plea deadline date was October 12th, 2020. It expired. It is now March. This court will not accept any plea bargain agreements that are reached with the state. If you want to enter a plea, you will have to enter a plea open to the court. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing else, you will be scheduled for a jury trial.
Do you want to talk to me again, David, before we leave?
We already talked about everything, unless you could, I
you-
ain't been indicted.
No.
What, do you understand that there's not going to be any more agreements? Today was your last day, and this is actually 4 months past the deadline. This was your last day. And I did got the best I could get you today. And that's it. If you don't take something which you said you don't want to take, we're going to do a jury trial. If you decide you want to plead guilty at some point in time, the judge will decide the punishment. There'll be no more plea bargains. Do you understand that?
Yeah, he's in one. Oh, he was in one.
Yes.
If you want to swear him in, you can swear him in front of, yes.
Do you want to talk to me again, David?
Yes, sir. We already talked about it, sir. Thank you. That's good enough.
All right, then
Thank you.
you'll be scheduled for a jury trial, Mr. Thatcher, and we'll see you for your jury trial.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Norma, can you let them know that Mr. Thatcher can go back?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Estrada, if you, they're going to swear you in.